Let me show y'all this low boy over here. If y'all ever had any doubt if you can load any full size, he got two full size SUVs on that low boy. I had guys asking me about, what should they get to start out with. And you see how my setup is. I got just a regular pickup. I pulled the bed off, installed my fifth wheel. I got a 3-car wedge trailer with extensions. I can get 3 full-size pickups with my extensions. It's kind of windy, but hopefully you can hear me. But this what caught my eye. Honestly, that's why I'm recording this video. This Z28 3rd gen Camaro. A lot of my followers know I started my page off with a 3rd gen Camaro build, so this one here kind of touched my heart as I walked past it. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the process. So in today's video, it's gonna be a pretty short video. I already had nothing spectacular going on today, so I'm gonna take the time to just go over a couple of questions I was asked about what I think is a good truck and trailer to start out with. Your startup equipment or just car hauling equipment, period. I told a few guys everything kind of just depends on your budget. What can you afford to get yourself into? Used, new, 2-car trailer, 3-car trailer, wedge trailer, lowboy trailer. The different setups that's out here, that's going to be based on what you can afford to spend. But I'm going to show you what I kind of see on the road on a day-to-day basis. You already kind of seen my setup. If you watch my videos, my startup video I got, kind of went over everything about how my truck is. With the 5th wheel setup I pulled my bed off. Got me a Kurtz Power Ride, I believe it's called. Yeah, Power Ride 5th wheel setup, and a Kaufman wedge trailer. So I'm headed out to Manheim Auto Auction again. I don't plan on showing y'all a lot of this video because I've been there quite a few times. I got 2 other videos of me being out there at the Manheim auction. But I'm gonna just kind of show y'all what kind of trucks I run into out here, in the car hauling world. So let's go ahead and get to this. Alright, so I want to take a little bit of time to go over different type of equipment setups. I had guys asking me about, what should they get to start out with. And you see how my setup is. I got just a regular pickup. I pulled the bed off, installed my 5th wheel. I got a 3-car wedge trailer with extensions. I can get 3 full-size pickups with my extensions. It's kind of windy, but hopefully you can hear me. Then we got a guy over here with a Dodge Ram tradesman, which is what I want to try to get one day in the future. With a Easy 4, look like that might be more Texas Pride trailer. Got a guy right here pulling in with a low boy. It's probably about a 3-car. But these right here are the go-to trucks what I keep on here. Supposed to be very reliable. He got a gooseneck on his, look like. Pretty cool setup. See if I can walk around before somebody come out and get mad because I'm recording their truck. This right here is a good money maker. Got a guy over here with a low boy. I think he's loading up 3 cars, look like. He got the dually rear axles on his. I like that. See, he got a 5th wheel setup on his with see, he used wood. I like how he got that wood on there covering up his internals on his rear end. It's a pretty good idea. I might go with that idea. Ford F-350. So I'm pretty sure y'all watch a lot of car hauling videos if y'all plan on getting out here, getting into this business, in this industry. So there you go. Figured I'd give you a little walk around some of these guys' pickups and their equipment they use. I'm back out here at Manheim Auto Auction. I already picked up 3 cars earlier. I believe I'm here for 2 more. Here's one more guy with a tradesman Ram coming in. So you see how common those are to haul with a low boy. And low boys are good for, you know, quick strapping your cars down. I gotta use a step ladder to get to my first car because it's a wedge, so it kind of goes up at an angle. So if you don't have to use a step ladder, I would invest in a low boy trailer. It's a lot more convenient. So I'm not gonna bore y'all with this process of my Manheim pickup. I already got 2 videos showing me out here. If you're interested in seeing the process of being in Manheim, you can go back and check out one of my other videos. I'm just trying to drop a little bit of, you know, further knowledge for anybody who want to get out here and start up in the car hauling game. So let me go ahead and get to this. They got some nice cars out here at this Manheim Detroit auto auction. I'm gonna just show y'all a few of them that I ran across. Like this Rolls Royce right here. I ain't never really seen one of these up close and personal like this. I don't know what year this boy is, but it's beautiful. And the door's open. Look at that. I just wanted to get my hands on it real quick. That's nice. Wonder what year it is. If one of y'all can guess what year this is, leave it in the comments. (2017). That's nice. They keep a bunch of C8s. It's a Stingrays. Never seen a Stingray. But they got a bunch of these out here. Even C7s. But this what caught my eye. Honestly, that's why I'm recording this video. This Z28 3rd gen Camaro. A lot of my followers know I started my page off with a 3rd gen Camaro build, so this one here kind of touched my heart as I walked past it, because I sold the one I had and probably should have kept it, but this is the one I'd rather have had because it got T-tops. You know, either a convertible or a T-top 3rd gen would be a keeper for me. But this is a nice car right here. I'm surprised to see it sitting out here at this auction amongst all these brand new cars. But you never know. Might have came from some kind of dealership somewhere. Got the SRT Hellcat. You know, that's a popular car. But yeah, man, move them all and move all kind of high-priced luxury to low-end vehicles out here. Like whatever this is right here, they got it. So they're going to end up being a short video. I'm just capturing a little bit of content while I can. So let me go ahead and get to this. Alright, so I got my pickup. I'm finna go through this security gate to get released. And every time I come through, my paperwork never scans out. And they be getting irritated, so we're gonna see how this process goes. And see if he'll sign my release.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Hey, pretty good, man.
Nice. Hey, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Get the keys up here ready for him.
day.
Not a problem.
Thank you very much. The scanner is acting weird today.
Yeah, I've been having issues with every single car. It'll show a different car when you scan it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, what is going on? That happened one day, and I made the lady get out of line and everything.
Oh, wow.
And they came right back up there like, it's the right one.
Right,
Oh,
right.
Shit. I'm sorry.
You mind signing off on this release for me? Some of y'all do it, some of y'all don't. I just figured I'd ask every time.
Here, I'll tell you what, I'll just put like a alias name or something.
Yeah, it don't matter.
Let's see. I think we write STI on there, maybe? Customer signature.
Yeah, or you can type it in. Oh, you got it already.
Let's see.
Just ST. That's fine. That works.
All right.
All right, I appreciate you.
Hey, my
Thanks,
pleasure,
man.
sir. Awesome.
All right.
All right, we'll see you soon.
All right, thanks, man.
Hey, my pleasure.
All right, I got him to sign. They be so funny acting. Every shipper requires you to get a signature at your pickup most of the time, and most of these guys be refusing to sign. They don't want their name on nothing. They ain't trying to be liable, but it ain't that big of a deal. Like he just put STI, just subject to inspection, but whatever. It's marked as picked up on my log, so I'm good. So let me go ahead and load this car up and make my 15-mile trip. This truck is beat up. I don't know what he been driving through. That's another Easy 4 trailer, I believe. Maybe 5. So, all right, let me go ahead and get my stuff set up. All right, so I got my one strapped down. I put it right over my rear axles, basically halfway on the trailer for better weight distribution. But let me show y'all this low boy over here. If y'all ever had any doubt if you can load any full size, he got 2 full size SUVs on that low boy. So it is possible. 2 SUVs and 1 small super tiny car on there. But to answer my question, I was kind of curious on how you would load a low boy up if you only had to get small cars, medium-sized cars, or 2 cars and 1 SUV. But he just showed me that answer. So, see how my wedge, see how high it goes up. Really hard to strap down car tires when you that high up. But I'm getting the job done. So, all right, let me head to my last drop so I can call it a day. So I made it to my stop, one of my favorite stops. If you follow my channel, you know I've been here quite a few times. It's one of my regular customers. This is my 15-mile route I do at least twice a week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this car over in there, show y'all some of this process, and then we're gonna wrap this video up. I didn't have much to really discuss, just I wanted to show y'all the different car hauling setups you can go with. Let's see here. I always set my parking brakes when I load my cars too. That's one good tip to keep in mind, just to eliminate any kind of rocking. Even with the straps, just it don't hurt to have the parking brake set too. Let me get out and check my ramps. let me go ahead and get this car unloaded. Alright, just did my final inspection, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive this boy in and get my signature signed off on. And then I am done with this load. Done for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Hopefully y'all can get out here and get some money in the car hauling business. So like I always say, make sure y'all do me a favor. Like this video, share it, leave me a comment, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. It's the process, baby. Let's get to it.